In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an eye-catching GIF to your Shopify online store. This is a fantastic way to enhance your site's visual appeal and captivate your visitors' attention. So let's dive right into it. First, you need to navigate to Shopify. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Shopify URL. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, go ahead and enter your login credentials. Then hit the login button to access your store's admin page. Having a strong, memorable password is crucial for maintaining the security of your online shop. If you ever forget it, remember that you can always use the password recovery option. Once inside your store's dashboard, you'll see a variety of options on the left-hand side of your screen. This sidebar is your primary navigation tool in Shopify. Next, look for the Online Store section on this sidebar and click on it. This will take you to a sub-menu where you can manage everything related to the visual presentation of your shop. Here, the design is key to making a lasting impression, so it's worth spending some time exploring different themes and customization options if you haven't yet. Now, with the Online Store menu open, you'll want to go ahead and click on Customize. This option will allow you to change the look and feel of your storefront pages. Once you've clicked Customize, you will be taken to a new interface where you can work on the layout of your site. You will see a list of sections on the left and a large preview of your storefront on the right. This is your creative space, where you can mix and match various elements to design the look you want. It's time to make the magic happen. Here, look for the button that says Add Section. It should be somewhere on the left side. Clicking Add Section opens a panel with various content blocks you can add to your store's pages. Look for the option labeled Image with Text and select it. This block is particularly useful because it allows you to combine rich visuals with a compelling message or description, instantly elevating the customer's experience. Once you've selected Image with Text, you'll notice a new area appear in the layout. On the upper right side, you'll see another option that says Image, which is exactly where you want to be. Click here and you'll have the chance to upload your GIF. Make sure the file is saved on your device beforehand so that it's ready to go. And just like that, you're all set. Your GIF is now beautifully integrated into your Shopify store, presenting a lively experience for visitors. By strategically placing this visual element, you're not only boosting the aesthetics of your store, but also increasing engagement, a vital step in encouraging customer interaction and boosting sales. Enjoy your newly enhanced store page,